Hi guys, I'm Pradeep. Today I'm going to talk about electric dipole. So let's go to the problem. Here, consider an electric dipole that is located along the y-axis as shown in the figure. Show that the electric potential at the point P is given by V equal K times Q times R2 minus R1 divided by R2 times R1. So let's go to the next part. Also show that the above expression leads to V approximately equal to the 2 times Ke AQ cos theta divided by R square. Approximately when the point P is located far away from the dipole, that is R is much greater than simple A. Okay. Next question is using R equal S square plus square root of S square plus Y square and cos theta equal Y divided by square root of S square plus Y square in the approximated result in part 1. Okay. Express V in terms of Cartesian coordinate and calculate the electric field component of Ex at point P. Okay. Before solve the problem, let me explain what is electric dipole and other important factors. Okay. Actually, what is electric dipole? When there are two point charges with opposite sign and both have same magnitude fixed in finite length, then we can say it is electric dipole. Let me draw first. Let's say positive Q charge here and negative Q charge here. They are fixed in finite length. Finite length. Let's say simple R. Okay. Then we can say this is electric dipole. Okay, what are the conditions for electric dipole? First one, there should be 2 point charges. One is positive and other one is negative, and both have same magnitude and fixed in finite length. Okay. When you are considering this type of problem, you should know to write how to get electric potential due to point charge. Electric potential due to point charge. Let me explain it. Let's say there is a point charge dq and point P is here. From distance capital R. Then electric potential at point P is, we can write down K times Q divided by R. Here K is a constant and electric potential is not a vector, so don't worry about direction. Then I will explain what is constant K. As you know, K equal 1 over 4 pi epsilon. Epsilon equal epsilon naught times epsilon R. If you are using A as a medium, then epsilon R become 1. Then epsilon equal epsilon naught. Okay. Also, you need to know how to derive electric field using electric potential. Let me write down the equation first. E equal minus grad V. Okay, E equal minus grad V. Here grad represent what is the coordinate system we are going to use here. Okay, in our problem it is Cartesian coordinate. Okay, I hope you will note down all these things. Then I will explain how to solve this problem. Okay, let's write down potential at point P. Part number 1. Okay. V equal K time positive Q divided by R1 minus positive minus Q divided by R2. Okay, then KQ 1 over R1 minus 1 over R2. Then KQ R2 minus R1 divided by R2 times R1. Okay. This is the answer for part 1. Then in the problem they are asking from us, show that above expression lead to V approximately equal 2 times K times AQ cos theta divided by R square. Okay. Here K is K P. Now I am going to solve part 2. Let me draw perpendicular from O to R1 and R2 first. Okay. Then this is x1, this is x2. Okay. Using figure, we can write down, if it is, this is theta, then this is 90 minus theta, this is theta. Okay, it's 90 minus theta. Okay, using figure, we can write down x1 equal a cos theta and x2 equal a cos theta. Do you get it? Then R1 equal R minus x1 and R2 equal R plus x2. Okay. We know that V equal KEQ 1 over R1 minus 1 over R2. Then we can substitute this R1 R2 to here. KEQ 1 over R minus a cos theta, because x1 equal to a cos theta. Okay, then minus 1 over R2. R2 means R plus a cos theta, because x2 also equal to a cos theta. If you are going to solve this, you need to know about Taylor series. Let me explain what is Taylor series. Taylor series means, if you have this one, you can write down 1 over minus 1 over minus x plus s square, like this. If it is 1 over minus x, it is become 1 over x plus x square, like that. In here, we can write down, this is Taylor series, Taylor expansion. Okay, then we become KQ. Let's get R out. R 1 over minus a cos theta divided by R, and minus 1 over 1 plus a cos theta divided by R. Okay, do you get it? Okay. Let's simplify this further. Let me use Taylor expansion here. 1 over a cos theta divided by here R. Then using this we can write down 1 over plus a cos theta divided by R, and 1 over plus a cos theta divided by R, we can write down 1 over minus a cos theta divided by R. Okay. Okay. They are asking from us about approximate result. That's why we are neglect higher order terms here. There are some terms now, but they are asking from us approximate result. That's why I neglect these type of higher order terms. Do you get it? Okay, let's substitute this here. V equal Ke times Q divided by R. Then here it should be 1 over, and this should be 1 over A cos theta. Okay. Then we can write down 1 plus A cos theta divided by R minus 1 plus 1 minus A cos theta divided by R. If we simplify this, we have 2A cos theta divided by R. Then to approximate result. It is approximate result, okay? Because we are neglect higher order term. 2 times Ke times Qa cos theta divided by R times R mean R square. Okay, you will get it? Okay, now let me explain final one. In next question they ask, using R equal square root of s square plus y square and cos theta equal y divided by square root of x square and square plus y square in the approximate result in part 2 above, and express V in term of Cartesian coordinate and calculate the electric field component Ex of point P. Okay, let me do this part 2 now. We are approximately equal to Ke Qa cos theta divided by R square. Here R equal square root of s square plus y square, cos theta equal y divided by, let me substitute here, then V equal to Ke. Here K is a constant. Q A. What is cos theta? Cos theta equal y divided by square root of s square plus y square, and then what is R square? 1 over R equal square root of s square plus y square, then R square equal if I simplify this, it become like three over 2. Okay. Now let me explain next part. They ask from us, then calculate the electric field component Ex at point P. Okay, Ex at point P. Let me solve part 3 here. We are using Cartesian coordinate system. So, that equal dab over dab x, dab over dab y, dab over dab is the thing, this is direction. Here they ask from us x component of electric field, that is Ex. So we don't want to worry about these two. Then equal minus grad V. Ex equal minus dou over dou x V square. Let me simplify this. Minus dou over dou x 2 k e q a y square plus y square minus 3 over 2, then minus 2 k e q a y minus 3 over 2 minus 3 over 2 minus 1 times 2x. 2 is cancelled, then minus minus become positive, then 6 k e q a y x square plus y square minus 5 over 2, no? Okay, this is the answer. I hope you will get idea about electric dipole. So like my video and share it for others, subscribe my channel, join with me, I will do better thing for you. Thank you.